So now let's see how we can work around with object snapping inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So if I were to go around over here onto the pen tool and I have my ink to shape pen on, as you can see, I can go around and then draw out any shape I want. So that's one shape right here. Here's another shape, as you can see right there. So I can go around onto the setting right here and you can see object snapping is turned on. So now if I were to go back out right here, select this object, I can move this around wherever I want. But if I were to go and reach a certain location, you can see that the object actually snaps into place. So if I were to go on the top, you can see that it snaps on the top right here along with this object right here. And now you can see that it is balanced. You can go around, resize this around, and then you can see that you can align it to the center. Let me resize this into a smaller shape right here. Align this onto the center of in comparison to this shape, then you can see that it is exactly on the center. You can keep it right at the center, and this crosshair actually denotes that now the shape is exactly inside the center right here, just like that. So if you don't want that anymore, you can turn off the object snapping, and what happens is that you can go around over here. And if I were to, let's say for example, select this, now the crosshairs don't appear anymore. And you can freely move it and eyeball this around to place it anywhere you want. And that is how you can work around with object snapping inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.